That kind of hurt, dude. Oh yeah, I f***ed it up. It's f***ed. This is an unbelievable experience. Thank you so much. Dude, when you're coming through the turns, you hit them with the downshift. It's so fun. Like, it's a whole other thing to do. This just isn't a go-kart compared to those go-karts. This is like its own little beast. You can see it flowing. It's so satisfying.
Oh my. Oh, it's doing wheelies. Oh.
We got the carts out. Shout out to Karturos, man. He's like the king of go-karts. Let's see how fast we can go. This is full throttle in mode 1. Oh, the understeer. Full suspension kart type.